Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can easily do the cool flying particles explosion effects to your video in CapCut. So as you guys can know that the flying particles can only be used usually on photos because you can use the style in video. So here's I'm going to show you the tricks. You need to just import your video and select the part that you want that flying particles explosions to appear. So let's say I want to make it happen in here, so you just need to click on a clip and then find freeze. Okay, this one. So this part of the clip has been freeze, so you can just click on that part and go to style and go to the particle tab and choose between these two. So I'm going to just use the first one. Okay, so it will go like that. So when you just click on a check icon, it will go like this. So it will have that flying particle explosion, then it will continue with the clip. Okay, so I hope this trick will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that, comment if you have any question, and also like and click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.